Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your Donna Cusinera and today we're going to make a cheesy and moist ensaimada. Let's start! Combine warm milk and the yeast and mix it well. Leave it for 5 minutes until it bubbles like this. A mixing bowl using the paddle. Put the flour, sugar and salt and blend it well, and then add the yeast mixture. Add the melted butter and the egg yolks and blend it, and then add the vanilla and the grated cheddar cheese. Mix this on low speed for 10 minutes. If you don't have an electric mixer, you can do this manually. Just combine all the liquid ingredients. If you don't have an electric mixer, you can do this manually. Just combine all the liquid ingredients like milk and yeast mixture, melted butter and vanilla. And then in another bowl, combine all the dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, and salt. Make a well. Slowly pour the liquid mixture to the dry mixture while mixing until it forms into a dough. And then add the grated cheese and knead for 10 to 15 minutes until elastic. You can add not more than half a cup of bread flour while kneading. After 10 minutes, transfer the dough onto floured working table and knead for 1 minute. This should be elastic like this. And then form it into a ball. You will know that you knead the dough right when it is smooth, and when you press it, it will spring back. Then return to the bowl and cover. Then let it rise for 1 to 2 hours or just until double. See, it's now doubled. Punch down the dough to remove the air bubbles and transfer to a floured working table. Divide the dough into 12 pieces, and to form it into ensaimada, make like a string form and then roll it and then put on your molds. After molding all the ensaimadas, let it rise for half an hour to 1 hour or just until double. And then bake into preheated oven 175 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Do not overbake to keep the moist of your ensaimadas. Let it cool for a while and then unmold it. While cooling down the ensaimadas, prepare the toppings. Just combine the softened butter and the powdered sugar. You can use electric mixer or the wire whisk. Mix it just until light in color. like this. To put the topping, just spread the butter and powdered sugar mixture and then sprinkle or dip in a grated cheddar cheese. Oh, I can't wait to finish decorating all my ensaimadas. Can't help myself. By the look of it, makes me hungry. Really good. Fluffy and moist. See this? You will know if it is perfect or no because of the texture. It is moist. Proveche, aproveche. La verdad, solo la verdad, ah. No, no liar. Uy, bueno daw, bueno. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.